All right, so here's our finished product. So my camera's still busted. I've got lenses on order. Hopefully that'll be fixed next week. But I figured I would just do kind of a wrap-up video and show the end results. So 2009 Boxster, 61,000 miles. We did a 2-stage correction. The paint was in decent shape. We used a AngelWax Regenerated, which is a medium grade polish, Rupes yellow. We wet sanded a couple spots. It's probably about the worst of it, but nothing crazy. About 4 or 5 spots with 2500 grit. Once the paint was good, we did a refinement step with also AngelWax Ultra Fine, Rupes white, just to bring out that last bit of gloss. But it looks really well. What did we do? We restored the headlights a little bit. I say that because I didn't go on the full-on wet sand mode. I just did kind of a heavier cut. So microfiber cutting pads, followed up with the medium grade. They were not that bad. I don't want to take off the clear coat if it doesn't need it. So, a light polish cleaned it up. Same thing with the taillights. Very minimal oxidation was starting. And then leather seats were clean in condition. We use ShineSupply products for that. Sonax leather cream. And then I think that's about it. The bulk of it was the IGL Quartz, so 2-year ceramics. We topped that with IGL Premier, but it came out really well. So we'll do some bulb shots because the clarity is where I want it. The clarity is super good. So we'll show that now.